Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be by Alipearl Hair. This is a known vendor on AliExpress, and so this is going to be 3 bundles of their 16-inch Brazilian body wave, and this is also going to be a 6x6 closure from Alipearl. This is also in their body wave, and it's also a 16-inch. So I did construct this wig. I put it together. If you would like a wig made, make sure you check out my website in the description box. But I did go ahead and wash and flat iron this hair using my Kipozie flat iron from Amazon. I will also have that linked in the description box. So yes, this is going to be the hair, and it definitely comes jet black like this color. I did not have to dye it, and so this is the wig I constructed. And like I said, to me, I feel as though it's a 5x5, but they said it's a 6x6. Well, it might look like a 6x6. It just looks really different from my 6x6s. But yes, so it actually might be a 6x6. So the only downside about this closure is that it does not come pre-plucked. I did not pluck this closure because I felt like I can get away with it. And so I did end up having to pluck it just a little bit, but I did not pluck it like how I usually will go ham on a closure. So that is the only downside. As you can see, it looks very wiggish in the front. So they are advertising that it is pre-plucked, but no, it does not come pre-plucked. Other than that, this hair was bomb. Like I said, I used my Kipozie flat iron on this, and that is up to 450 degrees. It's either 430 or 450 degrees. So this hair can definitely take the heat. The only thing I am doing right now is to hide the wiggish look. I am pulling out some baby hairs. You definitely want to make sure that it is thin, because you definitely don't want thick baby hairs. But I was on my way to Atlanta, so I ended up not thinning it out like I usually would because I was very late. And so here I am just popping in some baby hairs. You can, like I said, thin it out a little bit more, or you don't have to go without baby hairs. But I would definitely recommend that you pluck, because that wiggish look at the beginning is not what you want to be out there stepping with. So this is just an easy tutorial on how to plop on a wig in less than 5 minutes. Closure units are definitely good for people who like to take their wigs off at nighttime, and for the ones who don't want to deal with the aggravation of sides lifting up on frontals. And so here I'm just using my KeraCare Waxstick. I will also have that linked below. Well, not linked below, but linked in the description box. And so I don't know if a lot of people know what description box is, but it's that little arrow to the right that you click down, because I say all the time that it's going to be in the description box, and people still ask me where is the links. And so yes, it will definitely be linked in the description box. And so here I'm just going ahead and using my what's that thing called? Oh, my hot comb. I am using my hot comb. And so here, if the wig is like, sometimes when you wash the hair, it gets a little bit thick at the top. And like I said, this unit is not pre-plucked. That's one of the good things, that this closure right here is thick. So what I am doing is I am just going through with my hot comb, and I'm just using my KeraCare Waxstick to sleek it down so it doesn't give me that thick wiggish look. And then so here I'm using my MAC makeup powder, and I am in NC50, and the only thing that I am doing is that I am making this look better. And so let me know how you all feel about this wig and the closure and the hair from Alipearl. What is your experience with Alipearl? Don't forget to comment down below, like and subscribe, and I will see you loves in the next video. Bye guys.